is Roxy and Thanksgiving is happening and I'm vegan. So I need to find ways to veganize stuff during the holidays, and I thought I would share with you 6 things you can cook and eat for Thanksgiving. They are vegan, cruelty-free, they're dairy-free. So this is for all my vegan, vegetarian, or viewers who have allergies. And let's start with the turkey. This year there are so many options. I got 2 things. So last year I ate this one and I really liked it, and it comes with a little package of gravy already, and this one inside has the stuffing with cranberries. I don't really like cranberries, so I'm not gonna do the cranberry sauce, but I don't mind it in this vegan turkey thing. However, I also wanted to try another one, so I got the Gardein holiday roast. And this one has cranberry and wild rice inside. And it comes with 2 gravy packs. Follow me on Instagram to see how it turns out. So basically this year I'm gonna try these 2 things, but there are so many new options and I'm very excited. Go 2018. Sides. First idea is mashed potatoes. That's super easy to make vegan. Just need the potatoes and you can mix it with vegan butter. I like Earth Balance or soy milk or almond milk, and then your spices, and that's it. Number 2, the green bean casserole. I've never done this one, but I'm very excited. It doesn't seem that complicated. I'm gonna put all the recipes I'm gonna try to follow in the description box, but basically I just need the green beans, soy milk, vegan butter, and the fried onions. So I think I can do this. Mushroom gravy. I've done mushroom gravy in the past. It's super easy. You just need the mushrooms, you need the broth, you need something to make it thick. I usually use flour. Done. Next, I always make lasagna for all the holidays because I'm Italian. So this is not really Thanksgiving-y, but I'm gonna make it anyway. To make lasagna vegan, it's super easy. I usually use Beyond Meat ground meat or the Gardein ground meat, and I use that one with tomato sauce to make the ragu. So I make the ragu, then I make the besciamella. The besciamella is super easy. It's just flour, soy milk, and nutmeg. And then you just need the lasagna pasta. You assemble everything together. I usually add a little bit of the Follow Your Heart Parmesan on top, and that's it. Dessert! So for dessert, I'm gonna attempt making an apple pie. I've never done an apple pie, so if I cannot make it, please share recipes in the comments. I'm gonna buy the Trader Joe's marzipan stollen because I love that, and that's an alternative. If you don't wanna cook anything, there are still options. Veggie Grill is doing the catering menu thing, so I'm gonna leave the link of that in the description box. And if you live in LA, also my favorite Italian restaurant is doing the catering. The name of the restaurant is PURAVITA, is in West Hollywood, and they also have a Thanksgiving catering menu. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description box. And that's it. So these are some tips, tricks, recipes for people like me who wants cruelty-free holidays, or for people who have allergies and stuff like that. I hope this video is helpful. Check the description box and share in the comments what you are gonna eat for Thanksgiving. And if you have other ideas, other vegan options, other vegan option recipes, share them in the comments. Let's help each other. And also tell me what you're thankful for. Thank you so much for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram if you wanna see what I'm gonna end up with, if I burn anything. Follow me on Instagram to see how these recipes turn out. Wish me luck. Thank you so much for all the people who send me cute messages, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah!
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.